Mga affordable and quality silog meals pero nasa mall? Yes, you heard it right at dito nga lang yan sa bago pa lang pero tinatao na 9 Silog na located dito sa second floor food court ng SM City 13 Martires. Bali pag-akyat nyo ng escalator, diretso lang kayo dito sa food court na nasa left side lang sila. Ito naman yung menu nila, i-pause nyo na lang at pwede kayong mamili dito either regular or large size. Basically yung difference is yung serving size ng ulam. Lahat ng sinubukan namin is yung naka-large size na and this is actually good for sharing na rin. Tulad na lang nitong liempo silog nila na may 3 slab ng liempo, malasa, well-marinated at sobrang lambot ng meat na talaga naman perfect ka-partner ng kanilang garlic rice na buhaghag yung kanin. One of their best sellers naman itong kanilang top silog na chunky at hindi ito yung tapang matamis, more on saktong saltiness and garlicky taste na mas lalong sumasarap kapag partneran nyo ng kanilang vinegar dip. Itong sisig silog naman nila may pagka-slightly smoky taste and crunchy texture and yung anghang neto talaga mapapakanin ka. They also have Shanghai silog na deep fried until golden brown, crispy yung wrapper na hindi makapal and as you can see, okay yung portioning ng meat sa loob. Itong chicken tocino nila ang sarap din, sweet, savory and tender na may pagka-caramelize and toasted taste. Try nyo to, promise. Itong bacon silog naman nila, ang dami ng serving, tamang-tama yung fat to meat ratio, drizzled with cheese sauce and kung may kasama kayong kids, I think isa to sa magugustuhan nila. Kaya naman next time na magawi kayo ng SM13 at naghanap kayo ng sulit sa serving, lasa at quality silog meals, subukan nyo na nga rin dito sa 9 Silog. So paano until our next food trip?